down, dude.
Yeah.
Was he like, do you see him put his head back? He's trying to talk himself into it right now, I think. Oh gosh,
boy.
there is just
What
no
did I
way.
just do?
Is the older one more of a daredevil?
He thinks he is.
He's always wanting to do stuff. We gotta pretty much put our foot on him, you know. He's 18 now.
Oh God.
Did he give you his wallet?
No.
Oh!
Oh my God! Woo! Oh my gosh!
Stressed out still.
I think they're going to crank him up.
No, he just has to hang there for a
Dad's gonna
while.
wait for his brother to